I'm going to discuss about rounding off to the nearest 100. Now rule is again same. We have to check the digit whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5, but instead of ones place we have to check digit at tens place. So I'm taking example here. Suppose I'm writing now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Now we have to check digit at the tens place, and the digit at the ones place, that will be automatically converted into 0, and this digit again we have to check. This is less than 5, so it will be replaced by 0 and rest number will be same. But if digit here, suppose I am taking this digit here, then ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Now if digit at tens place is greater than 5, this is greater than 5 here, so first ones digit automatically it will get 0. Now again it will be replaced by 0, and digit at 100 place will increased by 1 and rest will remain same. So I'm repeating again. To round off by 100, what we have to check? We have to check digit at tens place, and digit at ones place it will replaced by 0 without doing any checking here. But the digit at the ones place, if it is less than 5, it will become 0 and rest will remain same. And if the digit at tens place is greater than 5, it will replaced by 0, and digit at 100 place will increased by 1. Now I'm going to explain rounding off to the nearest 1000. Now what we have to do, if the digit in the hundreds place, now which digit we have to check? Digit which is on the 100 place is less than 5, then what we have to do? Then the hundreds, tens and ones places are replaced by 0. If the digit at which place? Hundreds place, if it is less than 5, then these three digits will become 0. Now I am taking one example here. If I write here, suppose 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 2. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Now digit at which place we have to check? 100 place. This is 3, which means this is less than 5. So it says digits at hundreds, tens and ones, they will be replaced by 0 and rest will remain same. And if the digit at 100 place is greater than 5, then what will happen? Digits at 100, tens and ones place will be replaced by 0, and digit at thousands place will increased by 1. I'm writing same number here by changing the digit at 100 place. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Now digit at 100 place, this is 8, it is greater than 5. So what I have to do, the digit which are at place 100, tens and ones, they will be 0, and the digit at 1000 place will increased by 1, means it will become 9. So this is round off to the nearest 1000.